In this video, I'll show the InDesign script Headshot Layout. The script reads a spreadsheet of image file names and text for each, places the images, and inserts the text. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on Mac OS. To use the script, some preparation is needed. First, some images to place, of course. For this demonstration, I'm using mock portraits, which I've numbered. This is to better show that the text matches the images. The original idea of this script was to automate headshot layouts, a grid of people's portraits and their names. But really, it doesn't have to be people. The images could be anything. Houses, cars, apparel, anything. Next, we need the text that goes with each image, and a way to match up the two. Do that in a spreadsheet. Again, my example is basic to show the result is correct when done. In actual use, both columns would be a variety of text and file names. The text in each row goes with the file name in the same row. Each column needs a header to choose in the script interface. For this example, I have name and photo. These can be whatever you like. There could even be other columns that are ignored. The script just needs to know a column for text and a column for images. Save the spreadsheet as comma-separated values, CSV. Finally, before running the script, we need a document created. This is a template. It has empty image frames and empty text frames arranged in a grid. Each must be on a separate layer. In this example, I have layers names and photos. The actual layer names can be whatever you want. Just keep the names in mind, because the script needs to know which is which. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script, Headshot Layout. Double-click to run it. The interface is divided into 3 sections: Layers, Data File, and Images folder. Choose the layer for the images and the layer for the text. Click the button File to select the CSV file. Once you have, the script reads it to find the column names. Then select the column for images and the column for text. Last, click the button Folder and navigate to the location of the images to place. Then click OK. The script collects the images and text frames and sorts them by position and page. Then it places the images and text starting at the top row and moving across, then down one row and again until done. You can see the text from the spreadsheet is matched to the correct images. This example is a poster, but it doesn't have to be. I have another document arranged as a booklet. The script works the same. Also, the text doesn't have to be below the image. Here is another example document with the text to the right. Run the script, and you can see this layout works too. It's also possible to have multiple lines of text. In Excel, for example, when editing a cell, use Alt-Enter. This adds a forced line break and doesn't leave the cell. Keep typing, and it's on a new line of the same cell. Save the Excel file as CSV. Back at InDesign, undo. Now run the script again. And you have multi-line text in the layout. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. All comments are welcome, including suggestions for other scripts or how-to for Adobe apps. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.